Welcome back to the channel. Dustin here from the Gravity team. Venmo makes it easy to transfer money between people, and with the Gravity Forms PayPal checkout add-on, you can easily add Venmo as a payment option to your forms. In this video, we're going to look at how to set up the PayPal checkout add-on so you can start accepting Venmo payments on your WordPress website today. Let's jump right in. To get started, you'll want to head to your WordPress dashboard to install and activate the PayPal checkout add-on. Next, head to the Gravity Forms settings page and select PayPal checkout and choose your environment. A Sandbox environment is a great option if you want to test everything without processing any real transactions. We have a full guide on setting up a Sandbox environment, linked below. Once you've chosen your environment, select the Connect with PayPal button. After you've synced Gravity Forms with PayPal, you'll want to head to the form you'd like to use to accept payments. Under the Pricing field section, you'll find the PayPal field. Add this field to your form and save your settings. You'll next need to create a feed that will be used to configure the data that gets sent from this form to PayPal. Within your form's PayPal checkout settings, select Add New to create a new feed. Give your feed a descriptive name, then set your transaction type. For this video, I'm going to set my transaction type as products and services, but we have a detailed guide on setting up subscriptions with PayPal which you can find linked below. Under the payment amount, select Form Total. Then map the billing information fields with their corresponding form fields. You have the option to not prompt the buyer to include a shipping address, as well as the ability to enable conditional logic if needed. When you're done, be sure to save your feed. Now that the feed is set up, let's head back to your form to enable Venmo. Select the PayPal field to open the field settings. To accept payments with Venmo, simply enable the Display Other Payment Buttons option. Then save your form and embed it on a new page or post. When a visitor to your site uses your form, the standard Submit button will be replaced with PayPal payment options, including Venmo. Just note that if you're located outside the US, the Venmo button will not be visible. Finally, you can review and manage payments from within the Form Entries page. From here, you can see the payment details and even choose to refund the payment, all without leaving your WordPress dashboard. Gravity Forms and PayPal make accepting Venmo payments a breeze. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more WordPress content. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.